Hi everyone, welcome to a Riddock at Home workshop. Today we will be making pot plants. What you'll need for the workshop is a pot to paint some brushes, a sealer if you wish to conceal it once completed, a plant or a succulent, and a Sharpie texter. First, I went and painted the pot white as a background colour. This can be any colour you wish. I then got my daughter to sit down and paint the pot. I kept twisting it, as you can see, so she wasn't painting on the one side and she could swap colours as often as she liked. You could use any age child for this. After she had finished, I went and painted some green leaves and put some dots here and there. And then I got my Sharpie texter out. Here's a time to use your imagination and turn your children's paintings into flowers, plants, leaves, anything that you can think of. We then sealed the pot in case the people we were giving it to wanted to use it outside. Don't forget to add a little note on the bottom, as it's nice to look back on. This is the finished product, and once we planted the succulent, it looks perfect. We hope you like it, and we can't wait to see many of your designs.